Chapter 2 Nutrition in Animals. Short notes, summary and keywords definition from class 7 subject science. Introduction. Animals cannot make their own food. They depend on plants or other animals. Animal nutrition includes nutrient requirement, mode of intake of food, utilization of food in the body. Complex food is broken down into simpler substances through digestion. 2.1 Different ways of taking food. Different animals have different ways of taking food called feeding modes. Examples: butterfly siphoning, lice sucking, snail scraping, snake swallowing, humans chewing. Feeding habits are related to the type of food the animal eats. 2.2 Digestion in humans. Human digestive system consists of alimentary canal and digestive glands. Main parts: buccal cavity, mouth, esophagus, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. Digestive glands: salivary glands, liver and pancreas. The mouth and buccal cavity. Food is taken in through the mouth, ingestion. Teeth chew and break food into small pieces. Salivary glands produce saliva, which helps digest starch. Tongue mixes saliva and helps in swallowing and tasting. Next, milk teeth and permanent teeth. Milk teeth. First set of teeth in children fall off by 6 to 8 years. Permanent teeth replace milk teeth and usually last for life. Next, sweets and tooth decay. Sugar left in the mouth is broken by bacteria forming acid. Acid damages teeth. This is tooth decay. To prevent it, brush twice a day, rinse after eating, avoid too many sweets. Next, the food pipe, esophagus, a muscular tube that connects the mouth to the stomach. Food moves by peristaltic movement, wave-like motion. A flap in the throat prevents food from entering the windpipe. Next, the stomach, J-shaped muscular bag, secretes mucus, protects the stomach lining. Hydrochloric acid kills bacteria and makes the stomach acidic. Digestive juices begin digestion of proteins. Next, the small intestine, longest part, approximately 7.5 meter, highly coiled, receives bile from liver, digests fats, pancreatic juice from pancreas, digests carbs, fats, proteins, intestinal juice from its walls, completes digestion. Absorption in the small intestine. Inner walls have finger-like projections called villi. Villi increase surface area for absorption. Absorbed nutrients go into the body and are used by the body. Assimilation. Next, large intestine, about 1.5 meter long, absorbs water and salts from undigested food. Waste is stored in the rectum and removed through the anus. Egestion. 2.3 Digestion in grass-eating animals, ruminants. Example: cow, buffalo, deer. Chew food quickly and store it in rumen, part of stomach. Food in rumen is partially digested and called cud. Cud is brought back to the mouth for chewing, rumination. Ruminants have bacteria in the rumen that digest cellulose. Next, diarrhea. Passing of watery stools frequently causes infection, food poisoning, indigestion. Dangerous due to loss of water and salts. ORS, oral rehydration solution, should be given immediately. 2.4 Feeding and digestion in amoeba. Amoeba is a single-celled organism found in pond water. Uses finger-like projections like pseudopodia to catch food. Food is trapped in a food vacuole. Digestion occurs inside the vacuole using digestive juices. Absorbed food is used for growth and energy. Waste is removed by egestion. What you have learned. Summary. Animals depend on other organisms for food. Human digestion includes 5 main steps: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, egestion. Digestive system includes organs and glands. Digestion begins in the mouth and ends in the small intestine. Villi help absorb food into the blood. Ruminants can digest cellulose due to special bacteria. Amoeba digest food in food vacuoles using pseudopodia. Here P is silent. So friends, we have completed the short notes and summary here. Now let's see the definition of the keywords. Keywords: absorption, the process by which digested food passes into the blood through the walls of the small intestine. Next, amino acid, the simple substances formed when proteins are digested. Next, amoeba, a tiny single-celled organism found in water that takes in food using its finger-like projections called pseudopodia. Next, assimilation, the process in which absorbed food is used by the body to build and repair tissues and to get energy. Next, bile, a digestive juice made by the liver that helps in the digestion of fats. Next, buccal cavity, the mouth, the starting point of the digestive system where food is chewed and mixed with saliva. Next, canine, the pointed teeth next to incisors used for tearing food. Next, cellulose, a type of carbohydrate found in plant cell walls that humans cannot digest but ruminants can. Next, digestion, the process of breaking down complex food into simpler forms so that the body can absorb and use it. Next, egestion, the removal of undigested food from the body through the anus. Next, fatty acid, one of the simpler substances formed when fats are digested. Next, food vacuole, a small sac-like structure in amoeba where food is digested. Next, gallbladder, a small sac under the liver where bile is stored. Next, glycerol, a simple substance formed along with fatty acids when fats are digested. Next, incisor, the flat front teeth used for cutting and biting food. Next, ingestion, the process of taking food into the mouth. Next, liver, the largest gland in the body that produces bile juice to help digest fats. Next, milk teeth, the first set of teeth in children which fall off and are replaced by permanent teeth. Next, molar, the large back teeth used for grinding food. Next, permanent teeth, the second set of teeth that replace milk teeth and usually last for a lifetime. Next, esophagus, the food pipe that carries food from the mouth to the stomach. Next, pancreas, a gland that makes pancreatic juice to help digest carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Next, premolar, the flat teeth between canines and molars that help in grinding food. Next, pseudopodia, false feet or finger-like projections in amoeba used for movement and to catch food. Next, rumen, a part of the stomach in ruminants where grass is stored and partially digested. Next, ruminant, grass-eating animals like cows and buffaloes that chew the cud. Next, rumination, the process in which ruminants bring back swallowed food into the mouth and chew it again. Next, salivary glands, glands in the mouth that produce saliva. Next, villi, finger-like structures on the inner walls of the small intestine that help absorb digested food. Next, saliva, a liquid made by salivary glands in the mouth that helps in the digestion of starch. So friends, we have completed the definitions of all these keywords. With this, we have completed short notes, summary and keywords definition from chapter 2, Nutrition in Animals. We will do question answers of this chapter in a separate video. If you like the video, kindly like it and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel. We will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.